How to generate listing content using AI on Amazon. Creating a brand new product listing on Amazon can be intimidating, especially if the product doesn't exist on the marketplace yet. Today, I'll walk you through how to use AI to generate professional listing content that can help you stand out right from launch. Log in to Amazon Seller Central, click on Catalog, and then Add Products. And then click on Blank Form. And then click on Start. Well, Amazon now offers an AI-powered listing generator. All you have to do is simply provide a short description of your product, upload an image if possible, and Amazon's AI will create an optimized product title, bullet points highlighting key features, and a detailed product description. You can review and tweak the suggestions to ensure they match your branding and product benefits. Now I'm just uploading my product image, or images if you have more than one. Once that's uploaded, click on Generate Content and the AI will do everything for you. So they came up with an item name and then you just have to confirm what product type it is, and I clicked confirm because it is a lip color. So now we have an item name, product type, and keywords. Just fill in any missing attributes, dimensions, materials, intended use that you want to highlight. And there you have it, you're all done. If you're interested in mastering every step of selling on Amazon, including how to find profitable products and listing them faster, check out the OA Challenge, link in the description below. It's a hands-on guided program that makes learning online arbitrage way easier than figuring it all out on your own.